Alright y'all, as y'all can see, I made it to Cutler Bay, Florida. I didn't plan on recording no footage, so I might get some footage, I might not. I think I'm supposed to turn left right here. I was trying to listen to that GPS. So I might get some footage of this unload. I might not. It all depend on if it's something new, if it's the same. As always, I'm not gonna get no footage on it. Cause like I said in my previous video, I'm in Florida and my AC is going out and it's hot, so I might not feel like posting no video. But we will see. To the ones who may not know, this load came from Columbus, Georgia, down here to Cutler Bay, Florida. My next load will be coming out of Columbus, Georgia tomorrow, going to California. That load have 3 drops on it. So, that'll pretty much wrap up my my month, because the truck has to go into the shop to get some repairs. So, and also I'll be taking a vacation. So I guess y'all will get some footage on that. I'll come back down here to Florida for my vacation, and the truck got to get a oil leak fixed, and now the AC got to get fixed. As you can see, the transmission filter need to be changed, and it's so much stuff got to get done to this truck to keep it rolling. So no repairs might take a month to get done. As y'all may know, if y'all on the international, it's hard to try to get into the shop to get something repaired anyway. Last time we checked, there was 2 weeks out before they'd be able to get to us. So I'm coming through this neighborhood. Another thing too, since I'm recording it, y'all see how low these trees is? I pretty much can eyeball and know did they cut it to clear a truck or not. I'm not telling y'all to do it. That's the purpose of you having your truck GPS on when you come to little towns and stuff. But I pretty much can look at and tell when they clear my truck. Cause my truck nothing but 1270. So a semi truck wouldn't be able to come down here. It would have clipped on top of them trees. But you gotta watch for things like that too. If your GPS sees the neighborhood, I came this way because it's a short cut, as y'all can see. That turnpike was pretty jammed up, and there's no traffic down here, and it's a school area, but I'm not in within school hours, so I knew I wouldn't have no trouble coming through here. But I'm almost at my destination. I'm 2 minutes away, so I'm getting this inside this shopping center right here. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get here. Okay, guys. Wow, I didn't realize this is the same exact place that I came before to deliver. So I already know the concept. We gotta bring it through these front doors. This was the one where they had the dock in the back, and the dock was too high. So as y'all may know, I still haven't purchased no ramps, cause like I said, I'm just driving. This is not my truck, but y'all know the ramps I use in Columbus, Georgia. It would have been perfect for this load. All I had to do is just put it down, drive on top of the ramp, and it'll get me dock high. But unfortunately, I don't have no ramp, so we'll be just doing it the way we usually do it with the forklift. So I'm gonna go ahead and get backed up and get unloaded, guys. I guess I'll let y'all. I ain't give y'all no good footage with no good content with some views. So I'll set my camera up and let y'all catch some angles of me bagging up and everything, and I get back with y'all. Alright guys, remember the spot we was at when we were in Florida last time, we at that same spot. So now they set it up for we can use the loading dock. It just gotta run on these boards so we can get it dark eye. But it's a tight it's a tight area for these semi trucks. Cause it's technically only one way you can come up here and get back here. As y'all seen in the last, I'm not gonna get much footage on this. He finna clip that trailer if you don't straightening up. Let me put the camera down and see can I help guide him a little bit, y'all. Y'all, so this video probably gonna be all over the place because as y'all can see I gotta do a lot of editing and I really don't feel like doing a lot of editing. So as y'all can see, it's gonna be all over the place. So I'm gonna try to put it together real good for y'all. I don't want it too long. So what this guy doing right here, he's trying to slide his tangent and it's like it's stuck. I saw him pull his pin, so that's one of them trailers, old trailer where that thing stuck, man. But you gotta have it back far enough when you come down in this dip. You able to line up with the boards. But like I say, I'm not gonna do too much with this one, y'all, because it's the same thing from last time. So I just gotta get back here where I can be next in line. Take out the air from the trailer. Go now. Wait up. So like I said, they was sliding that tantrum back. That one kind of stuck. A lot of times you just gotta rock them things. But as y'all can see, this is the same spot from last time. They haven't did anything for the make it better for the truck to come in. I told them last time they gotta get rid of this fence, cause they get rid of the fence, they'll be able to back in and get close to this wall right here, and then they could be able to swing they cab around and and jump the curb. But if they get rid of these concrete blocks and this fence, then it'll be much easier for these trucks. Then they gotta get some ramps for to make it dock high. Cause y'all, well, I missed it a little bit, but that guy kind of jumped the curb and just try to get his truck up there, and it kind of messed the bottom of that fender up, that bumper. But like I say, it's 2 trucks in front of me. One just got unloaded, so it was 3 trucks. And I didn't know that. If I would have known, I would have went and got up here early, cause I was just hanging out at the truck stop because like I said, I had to sleep in the truck, so it wasn't nowhere to park. I didn't want to get too far down the road. It wasn't no truck stop or no service plaza. But like I say, I don't want to make it this video too long because it's hot out here, man. So I'm gonna go grab my truck, come around here and wait till this other truck get in. Like I said, they got one more truck, and then I'll be next. But this, like I said, this one don't matter, y'all, because like I said, I already know what my next load gonna be. I was gonna try to find a load to get out of here, cause I think I seen a lot of loads on the load board coming from Miami, but it was going to Florida. It's in Florida. It was just like paying like $400 like Miami to Tampa. So it's pretty much just covering fuel because I just need to get to back to Columbus, Georgia. So I wasn't gonna look for nothing that was going too far out of the way. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get ready to get bagged up to the dock. All right, y'all, so we still waiting. So y'all see they knocked down some of that curb, try to make it easier for the trucks could get up on that grass so they could turn better. But like I just mentioned, it'd be easy to just go ahead and get rid of that fence right here, and the trucks be able to swing around more right here and get rid of that tree. But we'll walk in here and see how they make it. It's hot, man. It's hot down here. We feel like we in about 100-degree weather. But I'm gonna have to move them boards and line up for what I need it for when I get ready to come back here. So it's pretty much gonna be mine probably gonna sit by that high, and then they'll be able to put the ramp down and walk off in there and put it out. So I got another truck in front of me, but it's still much quicker than the way we did it last time. So yeah, so y'all know the concept. So I'm gonna let y'all just hang out and listen to some music, and I get back with you all. we still waiting. As y'all can see, look how crazy this is. This truck, this semi truck is off the ground. And they docks it so high. Y'all seen where we picked up from. You know how they had the ramps? They dock so high, then it's on a slope, so you're not able to properly get dock high. And like I said, he's still not dock high. He slid the tangent back, and it still wasn't dock high. So I didn't want to put all this in this video, but I ain't got nothing else to do. I'm down here in Florida, it's hot, so I'm sitting here waiting anyway. So I figured I'd let y'all get a little footage and see what's going on and what you can run into. My appointment time was 12:30. It's almost going on 2 o'clock right now. I thought about coming out early, but if I did come early this morning, I still would have to wait anyway, because they say it was 3 trucks in front of me. So once he get out of here, this semi truck still gotta come back there. Then I'll be able to get unloaded. But the crazy thing about it, I got one little showcase on mine, so I'm not even gonna try to attempt to jump in front of this guy. We were just sitting here talking. He been waiting ever since 10 o'clock last night, so I just had to play a waiting game. But like I say, you do get paid for waiting. So if you dealing with the right brokers, you get paid for your time. But you just gotta write it on your BOL, your check-in time and your check-out time, and make sure they sign it, and you'll get paid for it. So like I say, all these showcases came from Georgia, came from Columbus, Georgia. This is type stuff I do for the loads that come out of Columbus, Georgia. And those units right there, y'all remember them big units? I think one of them big units, no, I think it was 2 or 3 I had delivered when I came down last time. But we still playing the waiting game now. I'm gonna for sure turn y'all on when I get ready to back up, and then we'll close the video out there, because I'm still to this day trying to edit. I got a video I had did where I went to Maine, went to that went to an island, and it's so much footage on that video. I think it's about an hour worth of footage, and it's so hard to try to get it off his phone. It's just crazy. So I try to document the much stuff I can for you all, for y'all can see what's the process of everything. But I'm let y'all listen to a little more music, man, and I'll get back with y'all when I get ready to get on. About to go dead. I think he got about 9 of these units on here. Then I'll be next. So I'm not gonna get much footage on it. If it's the same process of the last truck, and when I was here before trying to get it back here, it's too hot for me to be sitting here and try to help him guide him into this dock and record at the same time. So I didn't record that part. Y'all already seen the process. But both of these are Landstar driver, they owner operator, so they run out the same place I run out of when I pick up in Columbus, Georgia. So this load right here is a Landstar load. Anytime y'all see me picking up in Columbus, Georgia from that warehouse, that's a Landstar load. So yeah, like I said, all them loads be the same thing. Showcases, refrigeration unit. So when I say showcase, a lot of folks don't understand what that I mean. It's refrigeration units. Like they go into a supermarket, might be you know how you got the fruit and produce, you got the freezers and refrigeration unit where you have your fruits and stuff. That what them is. And you know, your meat freezers and coolers. So that's all this is. But I know I keep saying I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get loaded, but I'm for real this time. It's hot, so y'all just stay tuned. Y'all seen me do this at the pickup, but it's the same concept. You want some ramps, but you don't want to get in like this. Is just dangerous. You don't want to. You want to make sure there's no nails or anything on these boards, and you just want to build yourself up a ramp so you can get dock high. Y'all seen the other trucks going here, but the thing about it, I had to move it because my wheelbase is different from them. You see how they can slide their tangent? Of course, we can't slide ours, so have to kind of build a platform so we can drive on. So I got my platform built. I will put y'all back on here for y'all to see the process of making it work. So y'all just stay tuned, stay with me now, don't walk away yet. I be trying to keep y'all entertained with these content, but you never know what you're gonna run into. So I apologize if this video be all over the place. I'm doing the best I can. I appreciate y'all for continuing to follow us and watch these videos. All right, guys, let's see how I did, guys. Like I say, we know this concept from doing it at the pickup. So same thing, just getting some boards and stuff running up on it. Of course, I'm still low because you know the semi truck is higher than me, but I'm higher than what I was, and they got the ramp they can put up on there to get it. I might got to pull up just a little bit because they got this ramp they'll put on there for it to clear the rest of the inches. So I'm gonna put y'all in the corner and y'all see the process of this, and just stay tuned. this is the location. Where we at right now?
We're on US 1 and around 200th Street. Yep.
And they're here in Cutler's, Florida, Cutler's Bay, Florida. And this building used to be a flea market, was it? And again, it turned into a meat market. So all the loads y'all see me deliver from Columbus, Georgia, these showcase units, they bring it here, and this is the project manager. And you know, this is the process of converting a building into a meat market. So I try to.
We've gotten pretty far.
Right.
We've helped us out. We got at least like 50 of the low boy coolers. We have tall ones. We're gonna do a walk-in cooler over on that section.
Okay.
So yeah.
That's good. Y'all seen the progress. Last time I was here, they still the building needed a lot of painting. They did a lot of concrete work, but they come along. If I come back one more time, they're pretty sure they're gonna be done. The only problem that we've been having is this loading dock. But like I said, this was the previous setup from the previous owner. So you know, once they get that figured out, then everything will be good. But I appreciate y'all for following the channel and watching this content I continue to bring to y'all. Like I said, you never know what I'm gonna post next. I try to be, I was gonna go on a schedule. I decided to just be random with it. If you decide to want to follow something specific, I will split the channels up later on down the road. I have a lot of people asking me about mentoring services. Like I advised, you know, I don't offer the service right now. I will probably start up next month. So I will have I will do a video on that before time, and have some links and stuff y'all can go click on and see the service that we will be offering. But I thank y'all for following this life journey. Y'all be blessed.